In this video, you are going to learn a concept called KLT. That stands for Know You, Like You, and Trust You. And this is from the Atlas Academy that I'm a member of. Atlas Academy is the only education you will ever need to learn everything about online marketing and affiliate marketing. There are lots of courses there for a low monthly cost, and if you want to resell it, you can sell it for 100% commission. So we have a Facebook community, we have support, we have live calls, and everything for just a low monthly cost. You can check it out in the link below. Now let's look at what Chris Record, the main instructor for Atlas Academy, has to say about KLT.
You're not going to find many, because I prefer faceless. I prefer faceless marketing. When I use my face, I got to show up. I'm a slave to my brand. I prefer faceless marketing. But the idea here is you build an audience. Once you build an audience, you learn how to be able to use that audience in the right way, right? Like how to be able to deliver value to them, how to be able to get results for them, how to be able to share strategies that actually help them, how to be able to cultivate an audience of people that know you, like you, and trust you, and then how to be able to promote affiliate offers. So I'm going to walk you through this concept, right? So affiliate marketing, right? So what you want to do is you essentially want to build an audience, okay? That's what we're talking about right here. So you essentially want to build an audience. So you want to take you right here, and you want to go ahead and put a couple arrows right there, and we want to build some people around you that you have access to, right? You want to build an audience. Now, it could be social media, it could be email list, it can be whatever it is that you want, okay? So you want to build this audience. Then what you want to do is you want to build the KLT Factor. Okay, I'm not going to write out what it means. I'm just going to tell you. You're going to write it down because I want you to take notes. Okay? I want to build an audience, and I want these people to know me, like me, and trust me. Know, like, trust. K-N-O-W. You know, if you're wondering why know stands with a K, starts with a K. Know, like, trust factor. I want to build an audience is step one. And then I want that audience to know me, like me, and trust me. This can be done either with my brand and personality and likability, or it can be done faceless by delivering value. They do not need to know your name. They do not need to know Chris Record. They don't ever even have to hear my voice. They have to know my brand. They have to like my brand. They have to trust my brand. Like, who is the creator of Band-Aid? Do you know the face behind Band-Aid? When you go buy a Band-Aid from the store, do you know anything about that person? Who's the creator of Kool-Aid? Who's the creator of Folgers? These people have created KLT with their brands. People know the brand, they like the brand, they trust the brand. Pepsi, Coca-Cola, you name it. So it can be faceless. Faceless just simply means you don't use your face, you just operate the brand. Think about faceless as like the Wizard of Oz. You're simply the man or the woman behind the curtain, orchestrating things, but no one ever knows it's you. Now, one of the reasons I like faceless marketing over in-person marketing, why you see a lot more from me that's faceless than you do that use my face. You just don't know it. You don't know what I'm behind because I keep it anonymous. What you think? You think I just disappeared off the planet for 3 years? And I just happen to be teaching people faceless marketing? Or is it more likely that I just didn't want to use my face for a while? I just wanted to build brands outside of my own personal brand because it's a little bit easier. And I have no mob that wants to see me post every time that I wake up in the morning and drink up a coffee. They want to know where my coffee is. They want to know did I go on a morning walk? They want to know what did I eat for lunch today? Here's a picture of my food. I don't like being that slave. So I thought, if you just go faceless, you could be sitting on your couch watching Sunday football, and you can make a little AI video and post it out. No one knows that you have that account. No one knows you made the post. No one knows what you're doing, and you can make money passively. And let me ask you a question. Would you rather be famous or would you rather be wealthy? Because if you'd rather be famous, then what I would do is I would build a brand around your personal face. But if you'd rather be wealthy, then I would do whatever path is going to take you the most amount of wealth.
If you like this, then you can click the link below, or you can subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I show you a little bit about from this Atlas Academy. If you are an affiliate marketer, if you want to start your online business. I also have a service because I see that many people has the problems with technical issues. So when you have a business or you have an affiliate business, you're going to want to need a software, a funnel software. So what I do is that I build sales funnels for free live on YouTube. And if you're interested in that, click also on the other link below here. It's the salesfunnelsfornewbies.com, and you can apply there. See you in the next video. Bye.